Now, campaigning is on in full swing across the state, and Mangalore is no different. But an incident has taken place in Mangalore that has created quite a flutter.
Mangalore City Corporator harassed. Mangalore City Corporator Pratibha Kulai, in a press meet at District Congress office, expressed her anger against the humiliation she was subjected to by a group of youngsters belonging to one of the Hindu outfits. She said that she had to face harassment on a local channel and also during campaigning. Duly mentioning the name of the main accused in this case as Manoj, she said she was attending a program that was aired by a local channel. He'd called in to specifically harass her with the sole intention of creating a bad impression in the minds of the viewers.
ಇವರು ಝೆನ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರು, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಝೆನ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಗಂಡಸರಿದ್ರು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ. ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೈದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಕಾಲು ಮುರಿದು ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟರ್, ನೀವು ಯಾರೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದದ್ದು. ಮತ ಹಾಕುದು ಬಿಡುದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಷದವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2 ಪ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
Even before this incident, she said she encountered demeaning abuses and suffered heavily. Expressing her regret for joining the party, she said she would resign from the party if the party did not stand with her and help her in her fight for justice. She has filed a case against the concern for outraging the modesty of women in public. She added that she is expecting the police to take action against the accused. Mangalore North MLA Mohiuddin Baba, who is present at the press meet, showed his solidarity with Pratibha and also said that he had already spoken to the commissioner regarding the case and that the department is assured to take necessary action. Now that a complaint has been registered against the people responsible for harassing Pratibha Kulai, will the guilty be put behind bars? That remains to be seen. Rajesh Puttur for News 9, Mangalore.
Well, political parties are out in the streets requesting people to vote for their parties and candidates. So let's find out who were the politicians and Sandwood stars at campaign today.
Shimoga. It was a short and sweet campaign by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah today in Shimoga. The man who is in the middle of a controversy hit the streets to request votes on behalf of Manjunath Bhandari, the Congress candidate from Shimoga.
Vote for Congress! Vote for Congress! Vote for Congress!
Siddaramaiah also stood firmly by Bhandari as he went on a Padayatra in BSY's stronghold. Udupi Chikmagalur. The pretty sandalwood actress Bhavya was seen in different localities of Udupi Chikmagalur constituency campaigning for the Congress candidate Jayaprakash Hegde. The sandalwood actress was beating the heat with cooling glasses, requested the voters to cast their franchise for the strong Congress candidate. The actress was seen campaigning in Mudigere Taluk's Daradahalli and other villages in the vicinity. Along with Bhavya, former Minister Motamma and the Youth Congress Secretary Sandeep were seen by Jayaprakash Hegde's side. Davangere. Suntaragali hit Davangere today. The recently inducted BJP leader Rakshita held a road show to seek votes for their party candidate GM Siddesh. During the campaign, Rakshita requested the voters to cast their franchise for GM Siddesh and also help Modi become the Prime Minister of the country. Along with Rakshita, Siddesh's wife Gayatri and the former Mayor Uma Prakash also campaigned on behalf of the Davangere BJP candidate.
ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕುಣಿಗಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನಿವಾಗ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಕೋರಿಕೆ, ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಈ ಸಲ ಕಮಲದ ಕೈ ಹಿಡೀರಿ ಅಂತ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅಮ್ಮನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬೇಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ BJPಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಜನರು ನಾನೇನು ಕೇಳೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರೇ ನಂಗೆ ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಹೋ ನಾವು BJPಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
Bijapur. The BJP Lok Sabha candidate from Bijapur, Ramesh Chigajinnagi, campaigned in his constituency seeking the people's support. The Lok Sabha candidate, along with his supporters, went on a roadshow from Basaveshwar Circle, Ambedkar Circle to the bus station. Like Rakshita, even Ramesh Chigajinnagi sought votes in order to make Modi the Prime Minister of the country. Nelamangala. Chikballapur JDS Lok Sabha candidate Kumaraswamy was in Nelamangala today for a campaign. Before hitting the campaign trail, Kumaraswamy visited Arishinagunte's Anjaneya temple to seek divine intervention. Hubli. Congress's youth leader and food and civil supplies minister Dinesh Kundurao campaigned for Vinay Kulkarni, the Congress candidate for Hubli Dharwad constituency. The minister, who was campaigning in Islampur, took a dig at BJP. He stated that the BJP was riding high on the Modi wave and also spoke highly about the Gujarat model of development. But then he stated that they were happy with the Karnataka model, as Gujarat development works is only hype.
ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಏನು ಮಾದರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಏನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೋದಿ ಅಲೆ ಒಂದು ಭ್ರಮೆಯ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಭಟ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಂತೂ ನಮಗಂತೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಏನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಧೂಳಿಪಟ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದೆ.
Overall, it was an interesting day for all the netas and the stars. But this is just the beginning. With the elections inching closer, we will be seeing more stars campaigning for their beloved parties. A News 9 report.
Now, the Aam Aadmi Party just a few hours ago released its poll manifesto for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Now, they will be highlighting issues such as the Jan Lokpal bill, decriminalizing gay sex and much more. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party chief, Arvind Kejriwal, who was elected to lead the Delhi government last year but resigned after 49 days, released the poll document in New Delhi. The Jan Lokpal bill, as well as the Swaraj bill, has been the Aam Aadmi Party's main electoral plank. And Kejriwal did not shy away from accusing the BJP and the Congress of blocking his legislative agenda. He has time and again accused Modi of collusion with big business houses.
पंचायत का मतलब तो सरपंच होता है. जैसे एमएलए और एमपी भ्रष्ट हो गए हैं, एमएलए और एमपी इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं, वैसे सरपंच भी भ्रष्ट हो गए. हमारा कहना है ग्राम सभा मतलब उस गांव में रहने वाले सभी वोटर्स की आम सभा, उसको ग्राम सभा कहते हैं. अर्बन एरियाज में म्युनिसिपैलिटी को, वार्ड्स को छोटे छोटे मोहल्लों में बांटा जाएगा और एक मोहल्ले में लगभग 1000 के करीब परिवार होंगे और मोहल्ले में रहने वाली आम सभा को, मोहल्ले में रहने वाले लोगों की सभा को मोहल्ला सभा बोला जाएगा. ग्राम सभा मोहल्ला सभा की हर महीने मीटिंग हो, हर ग्राम सभा मोहल्ला सभा का अपना छोटा सा सेक्रेटेरिएट होगा. सरकार उनको अनटाइड फंड्स देगी. द फैक्ट कि आम आदमी पार्टी का मुख्यमंत्री महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के मुद्दे पर धरने पर बैठा, यही दिखाता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी की नजरों में महिलाओं की सुरक्षा और अपने नागरिकों की सुरक्षा कितना महत्व रखती है. इसके लिए हम पुलिस रिफॉर्म्स, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पुलिस रिफॉर्म्स बताए हैं, उसको लागू करेंगे. इन्वेस्टिगेशन और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, ये दोनों अलग अलग विंग्स बनाए जाएंगे पुलिस में. पुलिस की जिम्मेदारी, जवाबदेही किस तरह से, कितनी हद तक जनता के प्रति सीधे हो सकती है. आज हमारे देश की न्याय व्यवस्था पूरी तरह से चरमरा चुकी है. आज हमारे देश की न्याय व्यवस्था पूरी तरह से क्रम्बल हो चुकी है. तो फास्ट, एफिशिएंट, ऑनेस्ट एंड क्रेडिबल जस्टिस सिस्टम, ये हमारे लिए, ये इसके प्रति आम आदमी पार्टी कटिबद्ध है. आज एक एक केस को 20-20 साल, 30-30 साल हो जाते हैं. कई बार तो जो लोग, जो पार्टियां हैं, उनकी डेथ हो जाती है बीच में, वो केस चलते रहते हैं. तो इतने कोर्ट्स और जजेस बनाए जाएंगे, कम से कम अगले 5 साल में इनकी संख्या दोगुनी की जाएगी. लेकिन फिर भी कोशिश की जाएगी इतने कोर्ट्स और जजेस नियुक्त किए जाएं.
Well, the Congress party now continues to suffer for its decision to bifurcate Andhra Pradesh into Telangana and Seemandhra. Now, one senior Congress leader from the Seemandhra region today resigned.
Kavuri Sambashiva Rao, Union Minister for Textiles and Congress Party MP from Eluru submitted his resignation to Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh in Delhi. Soon after tendering his resignation, the veteran leader cited the Congress Party's insidious approach towards the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. Piling more misery on the party, he made it clear that he would not be seeking a re-election to Lok Sabha on a Congress ticket. He, however, chose to keep the cards close to him on whether or when he would break ranks from the party.
I am not contesting this. I am not contesting in this election on behalf of Congress Party.
You are planning to leave the party? Any party?
I have not yet made up my mind whether to leave Congress Party or not.
Kavuri was incidentally one of the biggest hate icon bags for the agitated Seemandhrites at the height of the anti-bifurcation movement. The senior leader, together with other central ministers from the state, failed to stop the Telangana juggernaut. His resignation comes along after the agitation died down on its own. For the political circles, the move was hardly surprising and came on expected lines. Knowing Rao struggled with the party after bifurcation, it was only a question of when. Unable to see his future in the Congress Party in Seemandhra, the senior leader had made repeated advances towards the TDP in the last few weeks. But Rao's efforts failed to bear fruit in the face of stiff opposition from the TDP's West Godavari wing. Maganthi Babu, a senior TDP leader in the district and an aspirant for the Eluru Lok Sabha seat, threatened to upset the party's apple cart in the district if Rao was preferred over party's interests. Following his failed attempts with the TDP, speculation was abuzz that Rao was setting his sights on the BJP. Rao trashed the speculation on his TDP and BJP leanings. But in the same breath, he refused to rule out his leaving the Congress. Interestingly, Sambashiv Rao showed no qualms when he attended the Congress Election Screening Committee meeting along with his daughter. He took part in the meeting soon after submitting his resignation. Durga Prasad for News 9, Hyderabad.